Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn yourself into a baby on Bloxburg. Where is my car? And okay, anyways, to do that, you're just going to go to like your wardrobe. Again, I don't know where my chandelier is, but that's not important right now. So select customize character. So select E, select customize character, and to turn yourself into baby, you're just going to place the age as baby. You can be a toddler, a kid, a teen, and an adult. So I'll just show you the baby one. Just press back. And as you can see, you'll turn into a baby. Some of the features are different. So for instance, if you go to bed here, you'll have like this kind of like baby. I don't know what it is. Not gonna lie. It's just like there for the safety of the baby. As well as if you use a bathtub. I don't know where my bathtub is. I think it's still loading, but oh, she's crying. What? Chill. What just happened? Okay, well you can't hear her, but she's crying. But that's pretty much it. You're like if you have friends, they can be your parent, and like nothing is loading right now on Bloxburg, but they can like feed you baby food and stuff like that. You can watch TV. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.